Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand, the land where the whispers of ancient sages still echo through the mountains, where every river tells a story and every path leads to the divine. एक यात्रा उत्तराखंड की यात्रा में की नज़र से. For the last 1 year, we at Yatra Mein have walked across the sacred land, from the valleys touched by Ganga's grace to the snow-covered trails that led to forgotten shrines. Every journey has been a prayer, every moment a blessing. Acknowledgement बहुत बड़ी हथियार होती है, स्पेशली जब आप किसी यात्रा में होते हैं. हर पल, हर कदम को महसूस करना सबसे बड़ी और कठिन यात्रा है. We began with a simple intention to bring the spiritual essence of Uttarakhand to the world, to document its sacred places, rituals, myths, and miracles, and to preserve the living heritage of Devbhoomi for future generations. कभी-कभी ना किसी चीज़ के सिर्फ होने से कुछ बदलाव आने से रह जाता है, उसे दिखाना और बताना ज़रूरी है. In this 1 year, our footsteps touched the Char Dhams. Jyotirlingas, ancient temples lost in forests, holy rivers, mystical caves, and remote villages. Each destination gave us a story, and every story became a part of us. कहानियाँ तब मतलब रखती हैं जब कोई सुनने वाला हो. आप सुन रहे हैं तो आप हमारी कहानी का और यात्रा में का हिस्सा हैं. This journey was not always easy. There were long treks, unpredictable weather, and roads that tested our spirit. But Uttarakhand has a way of guiding those who walk with faith. And so, every challenge became a lesson and every hardship an offering. सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि हमारे challenges आपके लिए guidelines होंगे, challenges नहीं. There were moments when time stood still. The first aarti we captured at dawn, the resonance of ancient mantras in Himalayan caves, the kindness of villagers, the silence of remote forests. These are moments that shaped our soul. सबसे बड़ा बदलाव तभी आता है जब आप पहले से तैयार ना हो कि आगे क्या आने वाला है और क्या दिखने वाला है. कहते हैं ना, destination is merely important. It's all about the journey you conquer. To everyone who walked with us, watched our videos, supported our journey, and believed in our vision, you're a part of Yatra Mein. Your love inspires us to go further, to explore deeper, to bring more stories from Devbhoomi. हमें खुद से जुड़ने का एक बार मौका दीजिए. मौके बार बार नहीं मिलते, वो चाहे आप हो या हम. This is not the end. It is only the beginning. The path of devotion is endless and the Himalayas have countless stories yet to reveal. Join us as we continue our journey through the sacred heart of Uttarakhand.